Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to copy wallet ID on blockchain wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain.com application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to blockchain.com. So now you can see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the account and we have the DFI wallet here, which you can go and change from. In the bottom, we have the home, we have the prices, we have the earn option. So basically those options. And in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and copy wallet ID on blockchain wallet. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So what you need to do is go to the top left corner, and out of all of those options, you just need to click on your avatar. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have profile, preferences, exchange link, and security link cards, and the help option. What we need to do is go to profile and see the wallet ID. And what you need to do is not click on there, but just click on here on the right of the screen where you see this paper. Click on it and it will be immediately copied on your clipboard. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And as this really, guys, helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.